Good morning, everyone. It's Cody with Ride with D&B, and today I am heading up to my hometown in Georgia to go and see my family for the holidays. The time right now is about 4:30 in the morning. Neighbors are all sound asleep. Nice, quiet time in the morning. We're about to change that. So, let's get this cold start going. Oh yeah. Loud in the garage. But it's almost like a soul wasn't awake to stir the night except for me. And anyways, I know you can't see me, barely, but I'll be picking the video up throughout the trip a little bit, you know, get snippets of like Atlanta and stuff, so that'll be fun. Christmas lights! Alright, see you in a bit, guys. Alright, so we've been on the road for roughly an hour and a half. Well, take that back. I just used the bathroom. Technically driving, been about an hour and 20 minutes or so. Yeah, you give or take 10-15 minutes. Anyways, we're in Dothan, Alabama. We are actually on the outsides of leaving it. But the sun's coming up. Look at the sunrise. Ooh. There's that cold morning sunrise. Also, there's a Jack's. So, you know, wouldn't mind having a Jack's in Panama. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, sunrise happening. It's going down. Because the sun will always come out tomorrow. Anyways, whenever the sun starts to come out a little bit more, I'll give another update. I think it'd be cool to see the sunrise. Anyways, see you in a bit. I know I just set the camera down like 5 minutes ago, if even that. But look at that. I know it ain't as good as a sunrise over some mountains, but that's nice. That's real nice. There's a cop. Huh. I ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm actually going the speed limit. Anyways, here's your truck. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes or so since I did the last little update. We're almost in Eufaula. Look at the clouds, man. Look at them clouds in sunrise. Yeah. Take it all in. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Awesome. But yeah, almost in Eufaula. The temperature is dropping. It's about 29 degrees outside, as the car says. The winds are pushing my car around. It's about 18 mile per hour wind sustained. Gust up to 25 or something like that, whatever the Weather Channel said. And, yeah. It's cold. And I couldn't find my jacket. Good thing I'm able to get my dad's Carhartt, because I ain't prepared. It's gonna be like 10 degrees in my hometown tonight, man. And you know that's up in northeast Georgia. And man, last time I got this cold, it's been about 7 to 10 years. So interesting. May snow in Panama, may not snow. No one knows. But what we do know is that it's cold. Real cold. I got friends that are from Michigan, or I think Michigan. Yeah, I think Michigan. Anyways, like up north. They're from up north, and they're like, I moved here to Florida to escape this weather. Why is it here? I don't know. I tell you, it's here. Anyways, should have another update coming here shortly. Maybe whenever we get to Phoenix City, Columbus, or maybe Atlanta. Till then, see you soon. Alright, update. We are now leaving Alabama. Right there, in the distance, she's about to go over at Whiskey now. Right there is the bridge to Georgia. Yes, sir. We're about to go over the state lines to get to Georgia. And we're going over a bridge. You won't be able to see it, but I'm going to point to the left here in a second. There's the Georgia Dam is over there. 3, 2, 1. Can't really see it, but it's over there. Oh, they got the gates up. Nice. Water was flowing. Anyways, and in 3, 2, 1, we are in Georgia. Entering Eastern Time Zone right now, which means my clock is an hour behind. Anyways, I'll give an update once I get near Atlanta. Whee! Why won't this truck move? I never really showcase a hole in the Mustang, but I guess we'll do one right here. We'll do, yes, go 70 to make it past this safe light guy. What did they say in Mexico? Safe light, or El Safe Light. That was it. Alright. Not quite into Atlanta yet. You can barely see the buildings off in the distance. Don't know if the GoPro is able to pick them up. But you young kids may not remember this song, but I'm gonna at least say these few lyrics right here. It's a good old rap song from back in the day. Welcome to Atlanta with the players play. Yeah, just those lyrics. I ain't singing it, I ain't rapping it, I suck at it. And I just wanted to be cringy for a minute. Anyways, outside of all my other videos being cringy, beyond that, we'll pick it up once we get in commerce. See you soon. Alright, I'm going to suffer through some cold real quick, because we got a little bit of a tunnel. Love how loud it is. Oh, it's just ridiculous. My car is slow but loud. Alright, it's cold as fuck. I'm rolling the windows back up, but I just wanted to do that. Alright, headed to Georgia. I've already been in Georgia, obviously. I'm a dumbass. But I made it to my hometown, and now I'm heading to my little brother's, also the editor of my videos. This is where I grew up at, basically. These roads right here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like Panama, it's fun, but you just can't beat country roads, man. I mean, look at that, it's just gorgeous. Plus, so fun. Speed limit's 45, and you can just easily do 55? Yeah, we'll go with 55. It's awesome. Nothing like country driving. Country roads are the best roads. You never hear someone saying, you know, city road, take me home. No, you don't hear that shit. You hear, country roads, take me home to the place. That, you hear that. You know why? Country roads are relaxing. Look at this. It's calm. It's cool. You know, occasional deer every now and then, but you can have fun back here, you know? You can go out and cut up, cop aim for miles. Literally. Asked one like before I even threw the GoPro on. That was miles ago. I love it. love it, I love it, I love it. Plus, I'm in farmland too, man. Not like the greatest shot, but farmland. I don't have my head strap either, so I'm doing all this while holding with one hand, which is still an acquired skill, because I am terrible at this. Ooh, birdies. And we're gonna come up on some little twisties. And being most twisties this car has seen in a long time. Since last year. And she ain't been up here since I lowered her. Yep, yep. That's right. It ain't even that sharp at twisties. She does just fine. Good tires, nice little lower springs, stock suspension, except for the springs. Yeah, does good. Can always be better, but you know. And then the sound of a V8 roaring through the countryside. Tell me that ain't something just amazing. Alright, see you in a little bit. We're gonna pick it back up where we get to little brother's house. So we've been at my brother's for quite some time now. And, well, this is his truck. Some bitches. It ain't used to